Welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving into the realm of cutting-edge automotive technology with the highly anticipated BYD Leopard 5. The Leopard 5 blends classic and modern off-road aesthetics, featuring boxy fenders, aluminum-style skid plates, and a rear-mounted spare wheel. Depending on the trim, the SUV is available with either 18-inch BF Goodrich AT tires or 20-inch Michelin Pilot Sport tires. Its dimensions are slightly more compact than the latest Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, measuring 4,190 mm in length, 1,970 mm in width, 1,920 mm in height, and a 2,800 mm wheelbase. This robust design is complemented by practical off-road capabilities. Built on a ladder frame architecture, the Leopard 5 is powered by BYD's dual-mode, off-road, DMO, plug-in hybrid system. This system combines a 1.5-liter petrol engine with dual electric motors, delivering a total output of 505 kWh and 760 Nm of torque. This setup allows the SUV to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.8 seconds, with a top speed of 180 km/h. Power is distributed to all four wheels through a 4WD system that includes 3 differential locks, ensuring optimal traction and stability in various driving conditions. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest cars and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
I'll live each second like my